Struggling to grab the perfect color in Photoshop? Let's supercharge your color selection game. Open Photoshop, and we'll learn how to improve your workflow by exploring some slick tricks to access the color picker. The primary way to boost your speed and efficiency is by customizing your keyboard shortcuts. Go to the menu and click Edit, then select Keyboard Shortcuts. In the Keyboard Shortcuts dialog, locate the Tools section, then scroll down until you see Color Picker or Foreground Color. Click the empty space next to Color Picker. Here, you can assign a keyboard shortcut, such as the letter C or Shift+C. Choose an option that isn't already in use. This will activate the Color Picker tool. Now, let's test it out. Select any tool, like the brush tool or the paint bucket. Use your new keyboard shortcut, and the Color Picker will instantly pop up. Click on a color, and that selected color will now appear. This makes selecting colors for your designs faster and easier. You have successfully found and customized the Color Picker function.